In this video, we explore the Ambient Weather WS2902 Wi-Fi Smart Weather Station. This device offers real-time weather data right at your fingertips. With its sleek design and user-friendly interface, it tracks temperature, humidity, wind speed, and more. You can easily access your weather information through the Ambient Weather app or on your computer. Setting it up is a breeze, and the Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to monitor conditions from anywhere. Plus, it's compatible with Smart Home Devi. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the keyless entry Keypad Fingerprint Smart Lock. This sleek silver digital door lock combines advanced security with convenience. With multiple entry options, including a keypad and fingerprint recognition, it ensures that only authorized users can gain access. Installation is simple, making it perfect for entry doors, bedrooms, and more. The smart lock also features a durable electronic handle for easy use. Plus, you can set up unique passcodes for FA. In this video, we're reviewing the Dreo 11-inch table fan, perfect for your bedroom or office. This powerful air circulator delivers impressive airflow up to 60 feet, keeping you cool throughout the room. With 4 speed settings, you can customize your comfort level. The fan features a 120 degrees vertical adjustment and a 90 degrees oscillation, ensuring optimal airflow in any direction. Plus, the handy remote makes it easy to adjust settings from across the room. It also includes an 8-hour timer, allowing
transform your indoor air with the 2-pack CHIVALZ air purifiers, perfect for your bedroom and home. Designed to eliminate dust, allergens, and odors, these sleek purifiers ensure you breathe cleaner, fresher air every day. With a compact design, they easily fit into any room, providing powerful filtration without taking up much space. But quiet operation allows for undisturbed sleep, making them ideal for nighttime use. Enjoy improved air quality and a healthier environment with this essential D.